somebody is a Christian, somebody goes to church, comes to church with a Bible each and every day, praise the Lord, Bwana asifiwe, tumsifu Yesu Kristo, all those things, they do them perfectly. Then you start discussing the man of God in the house, and your kids are listening to that. It's very dangerous. It's very, very, very unfortunate for we Christians, all Christians. I know. They're making Christianity to be a scam. Omera why? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning whenever you are. Good evening, good afternoon, depending on which country, which continent you are in. Yes, it is me here, Theo here. Welcome to the Love of Theo channel. Now today I want us to just talk. I'm just trying to move from the highway where there's a lot of noise. So today in this video we are going to talk about, I think, some that's their character, some lile ya kujiekelea. You just force things to be the way you want them to be, and you are not ready for change. Hata kama ukiambiwa, you are not ready to change everything that you are being told. So let me give examples of these things. There are those people who are just ignorant. They're just rude. They don't want just to have a change. They don't want just to do the right thing that is required of them. I don't know. They want just, I don't know, they want attention. I don't know, they want, I have no idea totally. So these are the people that I'm talking about, the rude people. So you will find that, especially Christians, I'm wondering what's wrong with we Christians actually. Because you find that somebody is a Christian, somebody goes to church, comes to church with a Bible each and every day, praise the Lord, Bwana asifiwe, tumsifu Yesu Kristo, all those things, they do them perfectly. You can say this, if death comes now, if God calls them down, if they die now, if Christ comes back right now, these people are the ones to go to heaven. For the church that I normally go, kids are taken to the hall and everything goes on well the way the main church happens. Whatever happens in the main church, it happens also in the other side. In fact, there's a day a priest stands and announces it in church. Before we start the mass, all kids must go to the hall and have their mass there. Imagine a parent, a father and a mother, they have their kid in between them. And as the priest announces this, they're just ignorant, literally ignorant. He was listening, it's like there are three adults standing together. But this is a kid, I think the kid is about 10 to 12 years, not even 12. I think 9 to 11 years in between there. So, I don't know. Alright, sometimes we need to give an example to our kids. So imagine the perception, how that kid will think, not even thinking, how that kid will grow up. He or she knows, after all, everything is okay. Whether I listen to what people say, whether I don't listen to what people say, kila kitu iko tu sawa. So that's very dangerous, very, very dangerous to our kids, very dangerous to the growth of our kids, very dangerous to everything that we are doing as parents. So this thing will come one day, will backfire one day. You will tell your kids something in the house, but instead of responding to that thing, they'll literally abuse you. They'll literally do something that you won't expect them to do. And it's not about maybe it's something that came out of the blues. It is something that you brewed yourself, you sowed yourself, Imagine a priest standing and saying all kids outside, and you are standing with your kid right there. The man of God is standing holding a microphone and telling all kids to get out of the church and go to the hall. But you as a parent, you as a parent, you are standing there, you don't want to know, you don't mind whether you don't want to mind whether the priest is talking or not. That's none of your business. Your business is you are seated with your kid. I'm just telling this to everyone outside there who is a parent. If you know your kid, you have a kid, especially in church. If your pastor says something in church and you don't listen to that thing, my friend, you don't listen to that thing, and you are with your kids, or maybe you are at home, you are doing your thing, and then you start discussing the man of God in the house, and your kids are listening to that. It's very dangerous. It's very, very, very unfortunate for we Christians, all Christians. I know. I'm not against Christianity, but sometimes people, we need to talk. We need to talk. Huh? We need to talk these things. Yeah. We need to talk. Hey, some of us, we are making Christianity to be a scam. We are making Christianity to be a scam. Why? But the main thing is to make this video. Is just to tell Christians, man, let's be Christians. Let's be Christians, man. Let's not criminalize Christianity. Yes. Come on, skia. If you don't want to listen, so we have. I'm in town already. Shika Protia. I'm in town already. This is the Ugatuzi house in Chamber. That is the county assembly of Nakuru offices. Right there. So the county offices are there. We Christians are betraying Christianity and making it look like it's a scam. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want you to comment down below and tell us which kind of manners or which kind of behaviors you find it weird, not welcoming, betraying Christianity you have experienced. Just mention below in the comments. Mention. And make sure to like this video, subscribe and share to those ones, to your family, friends, and everybody outside there, to your Christians, to your church. Just to let them know that they should behave well. They should behave super well. Let's not betray Christianity. Let's not betray. When you abuse Christian, the word Christianity comes from Christ. You are a follower of Christ. That's when you become now a Christian, because you are a follower of Christ. So when you are doing something that Christ doesn't advocate, doesn't allow, and you do these things, it becomes a very big problem, where you are not abusing the priest that is doing that. You are not abusing your pastor. You are not abusing that leader who is announcing. You are not abusing anybody, but you are abusing Christ. Yes, you are abusing Christ. Others do things that are not worthy. Unapata mtu masengeni mtu mwingine, mtu akona kiburi. So you are rude to who? You are betraying Christ, Bana, who died for us. Imagine you are doing something worse or bad, but now you have two clothes. One is for the devil and the other one is for Christ. Unaingia pale unasema Bwana asifiwe sana. Wakristo wapenzi, Bwana asifiwe sana. But what happens is the Bwana asifiwe, you find that vitu ni baya. You're not listening to what God is saying. So you are betraying Christ. So hapa ni Nyayo Gardens. Nyayo Gardens. Nakuru. Uko sini kwa town. Town already. So thank you so much for accompanying me this journey. If you're a Christian, be a Christian and be an ambassador of Christ by following what Christ says, by doing what Christ says, things will go on well. Hey, wacha Bwana kubariki. Wewe ni Mkristo lakini wewe tabia yako ni ya Lucifer fulani, pale jehanamu. So thank you beautiful people, thank you so much for accompanying me down and be a Christian and be a full Christian. Wacha uabunuasi. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day. Have a nice week ahead. All in all, let Christ be with you. Peace.